Are you someone who regrets the financial decisions they have taken in their life? Are you someone who has made these financial mistakes? You have a lot of debt, you have a lot of loan, you got into a bad mortgage, you have a bad car loan, you have blown up your stock account, you went into trades that were too risky and now you ended up with $0 in your account. Are you someone who loves overspending, who is very impulsive, or someone who has got no savings at all? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, we offer a two-part solution which will help you fix your mess. First part is psychological, which relates to the way you think, the way you act. The next part is 6 actions that you can immediately take to fix your financial mess. Understand yourself. What is your personality like? How do you behave in normal life? And this is very important because this will determine the type of financial decisions that you take. Are you trying to escape something? Maybe you're trying to escape your job. Maybe you're trying to escape the 9 to 5. Are you very impulsive? Do you buy a lot of stuff on the go? You have no budget and you just keep spending money. You have a lot of credit cards and you have a lot of credit card bills. Or you are someone who likes to overthink. You are not able to take any decision at all because you just keep thinking about the bad things that could happen, the negative, the losses that you can have, and you just keep overthinking, and now you regret that you haven't taken any financial decisions up till now. Or you have low confidence because you lost a lot of money. So once you understand yourself and your own behavior, you'll be better able to manage your finances. If you're someone who's trying to escape your job or very impulsive, then maybe the solution for you is to make a very good budget and try to stick to it all the time, no matter what happens. Or if you are an overthinker, maybe you can determine a process, a step-by-step process that you will always follow to reach a financial decision. To improve your confidence, maybe you can start again by smaller amounts that doesn't affect you mentally, and those small wins will help you gain back your confidence. Key 6 actions that you can take today to change your life financially. Detox. What does this mean is that stop taking all financial decisions for a few days. Pause everything, sit down and think. What do you want in life? Where you want to be? Where you are right now? How big is the mess? Is it manageable, not manageable? Do you need any help from someone? Just pause and think about all those things. The second thing is define your goals. What do you want? Maybe you want to have $50,000 in your bank. Maybe you want to have an investment account with $250,000. Define that thing. Once you are able to define it, it is only then you will be able to reach it. Third action to take is to make a budget straight away. This is very important because this will tell you where your money is going, how much you are able to save, and what is happening with your financial life. You will also have a view of the next 12 months, what will happen financially, and try to stick to that budget. The best way to make a realistic budget is to go back in time 6-12 months, look at your expenses, how much you have spent on what. Take that data and use that data to build the budget. And once you have that data, then you will be in a better position to understand your expenses. Maybe you don't need to buy those morning coffees every day. Maybe you don't need to pay such a high mortgage, or maybe your car loan is too much. But only once your data is there, you will be able to analyze this. Fourth action that you can take is to understand the power of compounding. This is single-handedly the most important concept in finance. People don't give it due respect. Just to give you an example, if you are able to save $20,000 and invest that at 10%, after 10 years you will have more than $250,000. That is a big amount, and this is the power of compounding that people don't understand. Stop running after those one-hit wonders. Stop running after those crypto coins that will give you 100x in 5 days or whatever. Stop running after those things. Slow and steady wins the race. This is the key concept, and this is how you can look at Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger. This is how these people have become rich over time. This is just because of the power of compounding. The fifth action is keep learning. If you failed at something, no problem. If you blew up your stock account, you're not good at day trading, no problem. Start learning again. Go to a proper source and learn. This will really enhance your money making capability. And the last action, which is the most important, is to learn proper risk management, because this is the key. Whatever decision you're trying to take in life, try to understand the risks associated with it. If you're going into buying a stock, understand the risk. How much can it go up? How much can it go down? Are you risking $1,000 to get a gain of only $100? That is not wise at all. Or maybe you're rushing too much to get that mortgage without understanding the terms and conditions. It is better to learn risk management from professionals and then implement it in your life, because this is something that will go a very, very long way, and it will protect you from further financial losses. So if you're able to implement these 6 actions today, plus psychological element of it. You will be able to change your financial situation within months, and you will be surprised how big of an impact will it have on you. In case you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.